Hey y'all, we just found a bunch of baby birds in like this little like hole thing in our house. Here, let me show you. There, and I'm gonna show you guys on the ladder. So first I gotta get up here. Just give me a second. They're like literal baby birds, like they're just born. That's what they look like. Let me get up here. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's high enough. Look, I can see two. How many do you guys see? Oh, one just opened its mouth. Did you see that? But yeah, that's like so cool. I think it opened its mouth because it's hungry. I wonder where the mom birds is. I hope they didn't get abandoned. Probably not though, but yeah, bye.